Another point worth making, at least for those of you with the same type of mill, after then having this horizontal to change and set this, change the cutter, I go down so I can read here that it's vertical, 90 degrees, and now I engage the gear here, which is a 15-degree, let's say, step. But at least I know now that this is accurate, 90 degrees, and then I lock the spindle firmly. And to avoid then shearing teeth on this gear, I then take it out again. So that's so simple, but that's a safety, at least, so you don't shear off teeth, that you don't leave this engaged